seducer of lonely hearts until dancing is my only goal.
Jason usually describes himself as cross-rhythmic, polytheistic, shamanistic breakbeat.
Faces gyrate while I dance on passion.
That was deep. Release the tension of Western thinking, no inhibitions, now we're jamming, opening the mind to reasoning of a feeling kind.
Your children will be born with a legacy.
Not to mention a hint of you. Entering this sun cycle, it's time to shine.
If you can hear on the acoustic guitar there, is Waterfalls. He is an acoustic MC and a writer, and he's part of the National Theatre family and the Bububuka family. And he described himself as an underground artist. So he is going to open up for us.
Check 1, 2. She's a girl from the African world. Born and raised in a small country. The night before April 1994, she used to sing and play and tell her stories. I met her in the bus, and then she looked at me with a sad face. And I thought I was the guy with more or less respect for the girls who look more blessed. And the more time I talked to her, she kept crying. Dark they cut her mother to the world and gave her flesh. Hungry, she couldn't feed much more. Low life, low sheep. She was blinded by her past, and she knew I never had no time to look in her dark life. And then I asked myself, where in the world was humanity? When the soul sins, rage like unstoppable, so merciless. On children's blood they feasted, for the sake of paganism. Life without belief that someday she would cry, and she wouldn't take an extra mile, because she has no hope. And every time I would look into her eyes, I'll see the teardrops. I'll see the pain in her eyes. And then I'll go sing like, lost without hope, don't know what your life will be. Don't know what your life will be. Sissy selling her body. The brother's been 20 years in prison. You are crying, 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 crying. Thank you. That was a piece I did for the genocide in Rwanda. It really touched my heart. I was in primary, like P2.
No inhibitions, now we're jamming, opening the mind to reasoning of a feeling kind.
Your children will be born with a legacy.
Not to mention a hint of you. Entering this sun cycle, it's time to shine.
Do you know your worth?
I have to break you like you've broken me.
I can feel you like fluid. in my garment.